Today we talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on your name. When you click here on your name, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open video here. So it's going to take a time to open video. Then you click here on account preferences. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on showing profile photos here. Sorry, click on it here. So then here can you select who can see your who can show your photo profile in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.